In another one of my videos, I talked about shingles. I talked about it in my live show as well, and good versus not so good foods for shingles. And some of the worst foods for shingles have an amino acid called L-arginine. So I'm going to give you the list of the ones to avoid, because this will actually help with the replication of the virus, which of course is not something that you want to have happening when you're going through a shingles attack. So here are some of the foods that are not necessarily bad foods, but bad if you're going through that viral infection, that viral load with shingles or other herpes types of viruses. Okay, so number one is tomatoes, as well as wheat germ, Brussels sprouts, all high in that L-arginine, nuts, as well as grapes, pumpkin seeds, blackberries. So again, these are healthy foods, but not when you have shingles and you're fighting the virus. Chocolate, a lot of refined sugar as well is going to be higher in that L-arginine, and asparagus. So it's something that, yeah, if you are going through a shingles outbreak, you do not want to be consuming too much of these foods. However, there are foods that are better, and they are higher in L-lysine. Now, L-lysine, another amino acid, which helps to fight that virus, the herpes zoster virus. So some of the better foods high in L-lysine also happen to be great for your hair, skin, and nails as well, are meats, as well as fish, eggs, and grass-fed dairy products, all higher in that L-lysine. Apples and pears are also great, apricots, avocados, kale, beets, celery, green beans, papaya, and mango tend to be much better in terms of that L-lysine content. Now, always keeping in mind that you're eating fruits and vegetables and produce, and availability is going to be a big thing. So what grows around you in the season in which you find yourself and you're maybe fighting that shingles, that's what you're going to go towards, not things that have been shipped from other parts of the world. You're going to eat your local diet and pick from this list as much as you can, higher in that L-lysine to fight off that shingles. So are any of these foods your favorite foods, either on the good side or the bad side for shingles? I want to hear from you. Put it in the comments. And I do have tips for shingles though, so I do want you to check out my other video, 7 tips for shingles. I'll see you there.